The first question that you have to look into is to go back to your data set and take a look and identify the data type and the measurement scale of each variable that were listed in the question. So what I would like you to do is essentially take a look at your data set and trying to identify the type of data and the measurement scale for each of these variables, which are listed right here. Okay. And then, so to do that, it's always sometimes helpful to go back and look at your data and see how the responses were captured. And that should help you understand the type of data or the measurement scale assigned to that particular response. So going back to the question, employee ID, for example, will be categorical data, and the measurement scale will be nominal. It's nominal because it can be ranked, and it's categorical because it's not a numerical value. Your age, the age can be described as numerical discrete because age can be captured as a number in whole numbers, not a fraction. We can't say someone is 20 years of age, 6 months, 5 days, 3 hours old, right? We only captured it as a discrete variable, as 20, 21, 22, 23, whole numbers and no fraction. So age qualifies to be called a numerical discrete. And the measurement scale for age will be ratio, because we can say someone is twice as old as another person. We can establish a ratio of 2 times older or 3 times older. So far as we can do that and it makes sense, age becomes a ratio data. A third example I'll give you is frequency of overtime. If you go back to the data on frequency of overtime, you notice that this is captured as categorical values. And not only that, the responses can be ranked from the least to the highest, right? Rare, never, sometimes, often are in a ranking order, right? So going back to the data question, frequency of overtime will be categorical because the responses are categorical, they are not numerical. The measurement scale will be ordinal because we can rank these responses from the least to the highest, right? It can be ranked in that order of frequency. So we basically described such type of measurement, an ordinal scale of measuring. So I have basically done 3 of these for you. I would like you to go through every single one of these responses or these variables and identified the type of data they are and what measurement scale we can ascribe to them. You can refer back to your data options here, the data set, to have a clue as to how the data is captured for that particular variable. And that should help you with completion of question 1 of your project.